Hello guys. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng ginataan. Ayan. Ito yung mga available na ingredients natin. Ito may frozen na saba. Ito frozen na saba. Siyempre yung coconut milk, tapioca, nata de coco, lagyan natin, at saka yung kaong, mochi, and sugar. Ayan guys. Ito na guys, na gawa na natin yung bilo-bilo. Ayan. Itong dalawang malalaki, nag-request ng anak ko ng gawa raw ako ng malaking balls. Ayan, kaya ayan yung malaking dalawa. Ayan. Ito lang po available na ingredients. Kulang siya, kaya lang okay na to.
And we would then throw grenades at them. Several times I actually caught a German grenade and threw it back, and they exploded even before they hit the ground.
Tapioca.
My section was ordered to defend one house, and in fact we were all on its roof. The Germans would get to the ground and first floor, and we fired
na
at
yan.
them.
Nasahog natin. Ayan.
The resupply of ammunition became a desperate problem. The
Yan,
ammunition
tutuin na
brought
natin.
over during the night is not collected in time by representatives of the 62nd Army Command.
Don't eat out of the thing!
Ayan guys, luto na siya. Kaya pati yung malaki na request ng anak ko, lumulutang na siya. Ayan, turn off na natin guys. Ito ng ating ginataan. Ayan guys, luto na siya. Okay. Ayan na yung malaki. Ito na yung malaki mo nak, oh. Lumalangoy na. Ayan. Okay. Ayan guys. Okay na siya guys. Even the big one of my daughter is floating already. Ayan. It's already floating na. Nay, where's the other one? Yeah, it's floating, the big one. Oh. Come. Okay na. Ayan, guys. Luto na siya. Okay. Turn off ko na. Yummy. Thank you, guys.